Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Imagine you're standing before a towering roller coaster, feeling a strange mix of excitement and apprehension. That's reluctance. It's that hesitation or unwillingness to do something. Now, imagine a child standing at the edge of a swimming pool, dipping a toe into the pool, pulling it back, and dipping in again. That's reluctance. Or perhaps a homeowner faced with the task of cleaning their gutters, procrastinating, finding other tasks to occupy their time. Again, that's reluctance. It's a universal feeling crossing borders and cultures, touching everyone from the thrill seeker at the amusement park to the homeowner with the leaf-filled gutters. So, next time you're feeling that familiar tug of hesitation, remember you're not alone. That's just your friend, reluctance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick, easy to understand definitions.